Assignment 3-3, we're going to be working with multiplication in our spreadsheets. So I've created my spreadsheet, 3-3 in Google Sheets. I'm going to go grab under text to copy and paste. Click on that tab. Let's go select the whole table, and we're going to copy this and bring it back over to our sheet. Click on that tab, right click and cell A1. Okay, now notice row 1 is empty. Sometimes there's a small error in formatting. Now if I don't pay any attention to that, all of the references in the formatting directions will be off. So I see that. So row 1 is an empty row, so I'm going to delete that row to make it work out perfectly. So the directions will make more sense. If you get confused, make sure that that's what's happening. Okay, so we're going to start off, and we've done this before. We're going to bold center, just getting this down to science. Bold center, dump some yellow in. I'm going to bold center the left column, the text in there, and then I'm going to dump some blue in there, and I'm going to change the text color to white so we can read it. Let's adjust some of these. We could use a little room here. We're not going to do anything with age. Field goals, 3 points. The blank ones we're going to leave a little bigger so we can see the formulas in there. We're going to have some multiplication going on in there. Okay, so we've done the formatting, and now I want to put the borders in. I select the whole table, A1 to I8. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply field goals. Now, field goal in the NBA is worth 2 points. So how many points did he get? So we have to multiply this number by 2 points. So I do that by first putting equals, as I do with all formulas, and then I'm going to click on D2. And then to multiply, what you do is you hold Shift and you hit the 8 key. It's that little star or asterisk. And for a spreadsheet, that means to multiply. And I know that field goals are multiplied by 2. So I hit Enter, and there we go. We have our formula. And now, rather than having to do that for each of these, I just click the right corner and I drag it down, and we can see our new formula. We can see the results of, for example, Shaun Livingston. He made 12 field goals, which would be 24 points, 2 times 12, and so on. Okay, now 3-pointers are obviously worth 3, so come on over onto the 3-point column, 3 points, and I started with equals, and Stephen Curry had 25 3-pointers. It's on fire, lighten it up. LeBron didn't stand a chance. And so we go Shift, and we're going to multiply that by 3, the number 3. And I hit Enter. So 25 times 3. And notice my formula is up here. The points are here. I'm going to drag down. That'll give me all my points for the 3-point shots. Notice Shaun Livingston, 0 points. No 3-pointers. Okay, free throws are worth 1, so we don't actually need to multiply them because they are worth 1. Now in the total points, we have to add, we're going to have to do this manually. So we do equals, okay, so for example, Stephen Curry, he had 108 points, as we calculated earlier from field goals. And then I need to add, by putting a plus in, how many points he got from 3-pointers. He had 75. And then how many free throws he made. So I put another plus, and I click on H2. So I have my formula, E2 plus G2 plus H2. That adds his points from field goals, his points from 3-pointers, and his points from free throws. Okay, I hit enter, and it shows me in those games that he had 206 total points. I've got that. Now what I can do, just drag on that right mouse on that right corner, drag it all the way down, and it will calculate automatically the points for all these players. And notice too that we can change those points and these will automatically adjust. Well, let's pretty up a little bit. Make sure you got your names in there. And what we're going to do is show the formulas for the assignment as we are doing with all these function formulas. So we're going to go to View, and we're going to view all formulas. So that shows us the formulas right there. Okay, check your key and you're done with 3-3.